What's going on, guys? Back for another episode, Dynaco TV. Today we're heading down to North Adams, Mass. Pro MX. Big pit bike race series going on down there that we're doing. Should be a good day. Got the truck and trailer loaded up.
Lower minis with Dynaco.
Minis.
Let's go!
Dynaco TV, baby.
Where are we going, guys?
Bro, I'm Max, dude. Mini Mayhem. Let's go!
Mini
Race day,
Mayhem.
motherfuckers.
Oh yeah, huh? Yeah, should be a good day today.
Woo!
River's pumped. We got Tan Man out here in the cut. Got some donuts. Start off the day bright and early. Like, what time was it? 7:14 a.m. Pretty cool. We friggin' made it, guys. Bro MX.
Go to the mini golf course. Mini golf. Guys, it's gonna be a fucking mutter. Look at this.
Oh yeah, we're.
This guy's bike. You can tell he's a squid, dude. We're getting him. 151. Rocco 101's coming for you, baby.
We made it.
Man, dude.
Thing sounds like it's struggling, dude.
Fuck off, dude.
Outside.
Outside.
All right, Tan. Well, what's up?
Let's go take a look at the bikes.
We just went out for practice. How many laps did we do?
I did two, and I think my bike was about to blow up.
Yeah.
The track is
Honestly, I think this one's gonna blow up first.
All right.
Look at this. Look at this.
Look at the clumps on the floor.
2 laps.
Wait, watch me take a clump off.
Take it off the front.
Let me see your rag.
Let me take it off the front. Oh my god, dude, look at that. I'm not gonna be able to cook.
Even the GoPro got one.
That's a lot of heat.
Oh, you good for me, man.
Hold the bike back.
Pull it back?
Yeah.
$1,000?
No, it's not, that's bullshit, but they definitely put something on it.
Like
Already do, dude.
2 laps. Or I did maybe 3.
GoPro.
What do you guys think? How's the conditions?
Hot garbage.
Garbage.
Hot garbage. Perfect. Wouldn't want it any other way. Here and go to a complete stop too?
Yeah, I did once.
Yeah.
Once. And then it just, I'm like, I'll fucking burn my clutch out of that thing if I try.
Some guy on a 125 blew past, like blew my doors off, and I was like, mistakes were made. I'm going like the second, like once they said, oh yeah, like go around the track, just.
like this thing's hurting.
Ripping. I was having heart palpitations over here.
Woo! You guys are moving. Yo, 6th place. Dana, 6th place, dude.
279.
All right. I'll start, Sam. I think we're all 5, 6, 2. 2, 2, 8. 2, 2, 8.
Yep.
5, 6, 2, 2, 2, 8.
Damn it, Matt.
It's
honestly getting good. Yeah, not my head.
You already finished Gage's last time. It came out awesome. Look at that. He's already got it.
Throw it in your pocket.
What is that? Was it Tanner?
You still need that.
Really?
Large helmet. I hope your dome is in large.
Helmet, guy.
Who wants to win the ball?
Did Ralph went off a bike?
5, 6, 2.
May never grow into it.
6, 5.
That's one of you.
Let's go! Oh, hell yeah! Let's find out. Wow, I love to see. You gotta put it on.
See, right in the
Let's see it.
Just hold it and just here, come here, don't pull you.
That's a badass helmet.
Yeah, for
Just to
real.
make sure everybody knows, we are doing 3 laps. 2 for kids.
Cousin B here with Dynacoat TV, tuning in the day after. We got the bikes all cleaned up yesterday. Turned out to be pretty fun. I didn't do as well as I thought. Bike did though, so I'm happy. Dynacoat popped off. Got 3rd place, first race. Look at this. Bike's cleaner than a brand new bike.
Yeah, I wish about that. This thing's seen better days, but she held up well
Yeah,
yesterday.
she did. New tire, spitting roosters, tall roosters, something I've never seen. Freaking like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back for more. All different kinds of bike stuff.